how this is gonna work. I mean, worst comes to worst, we can make our own, but at least get them out. Yeah, awesome, awesome. This is safe. Running into over here before it moves over at all. You have any smaller metal blades?
You want a worn out one? Well, this one's broken in half. You just take that part out and it should work, right?
How am I gonna put that on the Sawzall?
Oh.
I'm still cold.
Okay, so we got the mounts cut off of the old center section of the subframe. And now we're attempting to set it up where it needs to be in the new one.
Figure out how to mount it. Right?
Huh?
These ones over here.
Oh, you just put them. You put them in a different spot.
Good for remembering. Put different things in different spots, like different bolts when I'm taking stuff apart. So when I come back to it, it's not all the bolts in the same spot and I don't know where they go. It's all the bolts around here and I don't know where they go. Something like that.
Perfect.
The idea is you will remember, but I have really bad memory, so. All right, we should pull these off because we're not using them. And then bring the other tube in there and just cut it. Just see where we can fit it. And then how these would fit relative to that. Because I do somewhere still have like chunks of sheet metal. Or not sheet metal, but like a sheet of like 16th inch thick metal we might be able to use for.
I have some angle iron up by the house too.
That'll work. Well, let's do that, I guess. This part's not as fun part.
Not as fun.
I mean, Nah, I think that about sums it up.
Take that little wheel on the grinder, the little spinning wheel, right? The adjustment wheel, and spin her all the way till it stops moving forwards.
On which
I want it cranked all on the welder. Crank her all the way up.
The big knob.
The big knob. The only big knob on the thing.
It goes really high.
Yeah, I want it all the way up.
18.8 volts and 315 amps.
315 inches per minute.
Oh.
Or whatever.
Well,
whatever wire speed's measured in.
That's like 314 more than what I got. Lick it.
Okay, Ian.
What?
All right, so we got the subframe out. Actually got it all tacked in with the, well, as you see. I don't know what Ian showed you.
Oh, it's on the edge. So it's like just the tops of it.
Oh.
That's what I could reach from inside.
Yeah, and then gonna finish welding it out, and hopefully it all works.
It didn't really make sense. Well, it's not all welded. We'll have to cover these, but this should be how it sits in the car. This is in the front. We'll like cut it out and make it work, and wash it, and then paint it. But I don't know what color it should be because I did the rear one pink, but pink doesn't hold up very well, which is kind of expected. So this one might just be black.
We can get like some good paint like that white stuff.
That's true.
And paint it with that.
I like this bright color, but like rule of thumb is you want to only have like 3 colors on a car, because otherwise the parts start looking weird. You have too many colors. So Who knows? And maybe this won't be red forever or very long. I don't know. Maybe we'll get a little wait and see with it. I do want to put a body kit on it of some kind at some point. So when we do that, we can just paint it all.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see when we get there. But for now, after forever, it's all together. It's a lot of
Kind of. There's some stuff that needs to be fixed up.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Like these need cut out, and then we'll probably just like figure
And
out.
there's a few holes that need to be finished welded, but we'll get her there. This is good enough to mount a rack in and put the engine in and build mounts next.
Yeah. Yeah. Just finish it up. Build mounts. Transmission mounts, maybe at some point. Yeah, because once we get all this mounted, then like getting the rest of the drivetrain sorted out shouldn't be that hard. Dirty. All right. Oh my god! Dumbass little guys. There we go. There's one. What is it bound up on?
Not that.
Definitely not that.
You're turned way too far.
Yeah, no, I'm aware.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
I want to get this in here. Because, like, wrestling it a little bit would be kind of annoying, but we can always change it. Worse and worse change it.